future
You
is at
are
stake, my lord.
taking the minor child as your shield. What is going to happen? Your child is going to learn the same behavior that you are doing to your mother-in-law, and you will face the same thing. Will the pen drive be shown so that everybody can see what is happening? What do you want? Matrimonial dispute between the husband and wife. Go and settle it. 93-year-old man, and you are torturing him.
No, my lord. My lord,
What? No.
wait, please, my lord. I'm appearing for respondent number 8.
Yes.
Previously, my lord, in the morning my lord has raised a few questions, my lord. That is first, that whether the writ petitioner has entered the premises or not and has complied with your lordship's order. Second is, my lord, whether it is my matrimonial house or not, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, I would like to put this question before your lordship to my learned friend, my lord, that whether the writ petitioner...
Don't put questions to the court.
My
thing is, you have got a separate matrimonial house. You please
No,
go
my lord.
over there
This is my
and let the
matrimonial house, my lord.
90-year-old man with the daughter-in-law stay over there.
But my lord kindly appreciates the writ application had the prayers, my lord, to reinstate.
Whatever the prayer is,
But that has been complied with, my lord. That has been
you
complied
will,
with.
you will,
And this is my matrimonial house, my lord, and I can state that on affidavit, my lord.
your affidavit will not do. The husband doesn't stay here. The
Husband has filed a divorce case against me, my lord.
that is a separate matter.
My lord,
That is absolutely separate between
my lord,
you and your husband.
all these
Please do not.
allegations and all these contentions by my learned friend, my lord, these are beyond the scope of this writ application, my lord.
Please come.
Certainly not, my lord.
But this is my matrimonial house, my lord. Where am I supposed to go thereafter? My child is studying here, my lord.
And that is the reason you want to stay over here
But
in
my
the
lord,
house
this is
by
my
throwing away
matrimonial
the
house.
person.
After marriage, my lord, after Ashtamangala, I have been staying here with my husband. Thereafter, it was my husband's wish to leave me and my child during pregnancy and go away. And now, my lord, my mother-in-law,
And
she has
so
been
you will
staying in
throw away
Durgapur
your
from the
mother-in-law
very
for the
beginning of
house.
that. And she has a house over there, 2-storied building, my lord. They have been falsely deposing before this court, my lord, that that is a DSP quarter or whatever be it, my lord. She
This
has a house over there, my lord.
This house belongs to the lady and her daughter.
Lord, I also
The
have a right
daughter-
of shared household, my lord.
Shared household in your matrimonial house.
My lord, this is my matrimonial
come.
house, my lord. I have evidence to show, my lord, that this is my matrimonial house.
The learned advocate representing the petitioner submits that in that by the order passed by the court on 5th May 2025, the petitioner, after great efforts, was able to enter into the subject premises. But thereafter, the moment she left out the house, the private respondent locked the same and took away the keys. Stop. The
Lord,
petitioner
when did that happen, my lord? I have
not
proof.
in a position to re-enter the house. The petitioner does not have a key to the said house. Paragraph. The learned advocate for the petitioner submits that the house is owned by the petitioner and her daughter in equal shares. Stop. The 90-year father-in-law of the petitioner,
93 years old.
93 years, father-in-law of the petitioner resides at the said house. The petitioner is required to stay in the said house for taking care of him. Stop. The private respondent who is having a marital dispute with the son of the petitioner.
Lord, father-in-law
With
has passed
his-
away, my lord, with deepest respect.
with his কি বললাম? হুম হুম হচ্ছে না, আর একবার বলুন। হুম 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 who is residing elsewhere is forcefully occupying the said house.
And the furnitures and fixtures.
The private respondent is also allowing her parents and family members to reside in the said house, but is not permitting the petitioner to stay over there. Stop. Paragraph. Learned advocate representing the private respondent submits the that she has a right to stay in the shared house. Stop. The it has been submitted that the petitioner has already entered into the house, and accordingly, no further relief ought to be allowed in the instant case. Stop. Next. The mm, the upon hearing the parties, it appears that the lady who owns the house is not being able to stay in the said house. Stop. The recorded owner certainly has a right to reside in her own place without any hindrance or obstruction from any party whatsoever. Stop. The son of the petitioner resides elsewhere. Stop. The marriage of the parties took place elsewhere. Stop. The
Took place in
the
Kolkata.
private respondent is deliberately trying to use the house and creating all sorts of problem in peaceful occupation of the said house by the petitioner. Stop. The private respondent may stay in the said house provided she does not cause any type of disturbance to the petitioner. Stop. The is there any scope for mediation?
No, milady, let me just confer to one judgment. Sushanta Kumar Mukhopadhyay,
I
paragraph
have
number.
seen that.
Milord, it says the senior citizen has got the exclusive right whom to allow to stay in her home or not.
Yes, that also I have seen. That, yes.
We are ready for mediation, my lord.
You, what is the mediation that you will, what is your terms of settlement? Will you please say?
No, my lord, if they are willing, my lord, since, my lord, we have to stay in the same household, my lord, and we also do not want any problem to be there, my lord, because there's a minor child who stays there and his future
You
is at
are
stake. my lord.
taking the minor child as your shield. What is going to happen? Your child is going to learn the same behavior that you are doing to your mother-in-law, and you will face the same thing. Do not give this type of lesson to your son. He is a minor. Let him have a proper, peaceful, and healthy lifestyle.
That is what I also want, my lord. To, with
Had
deepest
your
respect.
client wanted this, she would not have done this. You see, you've seen this. You've locked the door. Where will this lady go? Where is the key? Where is the key to this lock?
My lord, that is why, my lord, an emergency number was given, my lord. Since if
She is going to call, and then you will come, and by the time she will stay outside.
no,
Where is the key to this lock? Hand over the key immediately so that she has got free access and you do not cause any type of hindrance.
Lady, kindly says this
instruction is
pen
that
drive, she is not handing over the key to this flat. key to the refrigerator, to the almirah, and even
What
to the
is this?
furniture.
You are locking the refrigerator?
Kitchen, washroom, nothing, milady. Kindly seize the pen drive. Once I have video recorded everything.
I am going to
Milord, we
tell
have
you to be ousted.
no,
Milady,
no, Milord.
taking away
A
the
lot of
mattresses,
patience
pillows,
has
Kindly
everything,
showed.
appreciates,
milady.
Milord. Kindly appreciates, Milord. The key has already been handed over, Milord. This is my
Milady,
instruction.
she has installed sirens, and right at 10:30, 8:30, milord, she's blowing up the
These are all
sirens at the top of
disputed
his.
question of
Milady, kindly
facts,
seize the
Milord.
pen drive once, how I had been
Milord,
treated.
how, Milord, these are all disputed question of facts, Milord.
Obviously, you will dispute. This is nothing new about it. Have you locked the refrigerator?
Milady, kindly seize.
No, Milord. We haven't. We haven't.
Milady, take that on oath. I have a pen drive to support the same question.
Will the pen drive be shown so that everybody can see what is happening? What do you want?
5 minutes, milord. Milady, it will take only 2 minutes,
I
milady.
also have, Milord, CCTV footages where
Yes.
Let that be shown, milady.
Milord, a lot of Milord, what should I
She
submit,
doesn't
Milord?
stay over here. What will you do with the CCTV
Matrimonial
footages?
disputes, Milord, what to do, Milord, and at best, Milord, I can stay within the scope of the writ
They have filed a
application
DT Act case, milady.
That is all.
There
What
they have.
matrimonial dispute? You
That
fight it out with your husband. Why are you dragging this
Divorce is
93-year-old
pending,
person over there?
They have also asked
My
for
lord, we
accommodation
have
relief for
already
15,000 rupees for
arrived
rent,
at-
milady. Kindly seize this. I have got it from Alipur.
The matrimonial dispute between the husband and wife, go and settle it. 93-year-old man and you are torturing him?
No, my lord. My lord,
What no?
Which one?
Lithun to the
Milady, kindly seize this. The
private
ambulance was
respondent.
there on the last occasion. She had to go away from the from the doorsteps.
The
The mother-in-law.
private respondent is directed to immediately hand over a key of the lock to the main door, main entrance, to the petitioner, so that she has free access to the subject flat. Stop. None of the facilities inside the flat, namely the refrigerator, comma, the kitchen, comma, the washroom, will be obstructed by the private respondent at the time of use of the petitioner and the father-in-law of the petitioner. Achha. Released for further updates on 20th of May.